Right. Yeah, and having a single platform that is easy for agents to learn, it's easy for them to adopt. From the broker's standpoint, that's all good. That's going to increase their ability to retain top agents.
Correct.
And you know, we all know a lot of recruitment comes from referral, right?
Yep.
Those agents are in turn going to assist in that recruitment process based on the tools and the experience that they've been provided by the broker.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I mean, the tech solution should be, especially for real estate, should be very easy to learn, right? If they get bogged down in the training of it, they're going to cancel. So we as tech people, not just at Chime, but other organizations, have to provide that simplified training so a real estate agent can learn it very quickly. Once they get into the system and they start investing in time in the system, the retention becomes much greater. If you prevent them from doing that by providing overcomplicated training, you're going to lose them every time. And they'll go find their own solution that's outside of what the broker wants. So the experience has to be true, good technology that is easy to use, is very automated. They don't have to do a lot of the work themselves because they're not marketing geniuses or they're not customer service geniuses. And you have to think about exactly what a realtor is, right? A realtor is someone typically who is on their second, sometimes third career, and they're not just starting from scratch. You could have been an accountant, a lawyer, a salesperson by trade. Whatever it is, most of those people are looking for something simpler where they can get in very quickly, start using the system, and start buying and selling homes.